Good day, boys and girls, my friends on YouTube. Hearts to you guys. That's what's going on today. It's back to the Life of Chuck channel where I don't know what we're taping. Actually, I kind of do know. It's the start of the weekend, the end of my work week, the start of week number 7. Back to condo life from van life, and you know what? It's been an interesting transition, and these videos are a part of my transition. So come along with us. Take a video of you. Better. Video? And you know what the funny thing is? Here in Vancouver, drinking out in public really doesn't phase on anybody. There was a guy sitting here with a beer watching the park workers work on the tennis courts here. On the bus the other day, I saw a guy having a beer sitting down at the bus stop waiting for the bus driver to come. So funny. I was under the walkade down farther here, close to one of the parks. Guy walking along, casually sipping his beer as he's walking with his groceries. Same thing, the Vancouver parks here. People are always drinking in the parks, no different. They just like drinking a pop. The same, I was on the SkyTrain a couple weeks ago. Some girl was going downtown. She's like casually sipping a lemonade hard vodka cooler. So kind of funny. So anyhow, just sharing that little bit of whatever with you guys. So once I go have a bit of a sleep and recover from work in the graveyard shift, we will video a little bit of our trip to Horseshoe Bay because we're taking advantage of the free bus service again. So cheers, we'll be back. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Stanley Park is that direction. Right there, downtown. Downtown there. Where is... What does it say? Park Royal. Oh, wow. Look at that. No? Oh, I thought this is Ambleside. No? Oh. At one time, this was a schoolhouse. I'm not sure. Wow, cool. And now it's a museum. Yeah, this was a schoolhouse way, way back. Huh. You know, I think at night with the Lionsgate Bridge lit up, it's probably pretty freaking beautiful. There is a coolness in the air, but that's okay. Hey, Mr. Pigeon, we came to visit you. He's gonna fly away. Okay, made it to Horseshoe Bay, and this is where lunch will be. Looking for a sandwich and pizza, but couldn't find like a sub sandwich. However, we did manage to get fish and chips. That's a good spot to relax with a nice view. So, perfect beginning to the weekend, actually. Haha, somebody's not happy. Crying. Search and rescue. Wow, look at that one. They're fixing, repairing. It's a tugboat. Oh, this is RCMP. It's flowers. Oh yeah, look at, we're getting a glare. Let's try and wipe your guys' face off, see if that helps. I've done that before, and I've done it again, and you know what? It's not helping, so it's a glare from the sun. Anyhow, sorry about that. It's not my best day because the day after we did our yesterday's outing and hiking trip, actually wasn't much of a hike, it was mostly walking around. My back freaking feels a little bit sore, and it's, yeah, something's spasming every once in a while. My back is hurting. So we've been trying to take it easy today for the rest of this weekend, and I'll see how the day goes. I'm hoping it gets better, but I'm not surprised because it was a heavy work week. The last 2 weeks have been a little much for me, so maybe working that extra shift was not good. Anyhow, I won't blah blah blah. We'll come back and see how tomorrow brings us. Hopefully not as sore. So, cheers. Well, this past weekend hasn't been very kind to me. I twinged my back, and we didn't do nothing this past week. I ended up spending my Saturday night rolling on the floor in pain. Just so sore. Man, I could hardly even move. Didn't sleep all night. I was in so much pain. And I thought, I'm gonna have to go to the hospital. But I don't know. I finally, she put some stuff on my back, some strips. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to check this out. And it helped a little bit. At least it took the pain away enough to sleep. So I think I'm gonna go get some more painkillers from maybe Walmart or London Drugs to take this away, because you know what? It's so bad. I pulled something. So anyhow, that's my update today. Okay, how is that? That looks pretty ugly, doesn't it? I can't... Whoops. How's that? Pretty ugly? Pretty ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Well, I'm trying a very ginger, easy, I don't know why they're saying gingerly walk. Very soft walk to Walmart. Just to stretch a bit, not overdo it, and to find some back pain medicine. Something like this is what we're looking for. Rollbacks, extra strength, back pain, muscle spasm, and tense neck muscle. I need it more for back spasms, but which one is which? These things here, a Korean girl had a bunch of them when she traveled to the USA last year. It's Salon Pass, whatever, it's some kind of pain relieving patch. Has a bunch of different ingredients in it. Looks mostly like camphor and menthol and that type of thing. But anyways, yeah, it's for pain, back pain, stuff like that. So, well, my friends, you haven't seen this old girl for a while, and you know what? I was hoping on this video to do some restoring of this old girl, some videos of that. But you know what? My back has not been up to it, so I think I'm going to take a few days, rest and recover, and come back next video with, I'm not sure what yet. Either working on this thing or touring around British Columbia and Vancouver or not. So, at this point, we'll let a friend of ours do the ending of this video. And
then it's like, what are you gonna do?
Subscribe, share, and comment.
You're gonna subscribe, share, and comment. And then you're gonna smash that bell. Be awesome! Be awesome!
And until next time, cheers.